I'm going to travel for the first of many weddings this fall, and there's no greater time than now to partner with Ampere to check out their new Unravel folding wireless charger. So the main issue I've always had is I usually would have to bring either multiple cords to charge my devices or a 3-in-1 charger from my bedside. And if you're like me, these chargers might be hard to fit in your suitcase or backpack. And of course, you don't want to break them. So the beauty of the Unravel is that with its multi-hinge design, you can use it in multiple orientations and stack it nearly in any suitcase or backpack. Hell, you can even put it in your pocket. You can use the Ampere Unravel as a charger or a stand to support your iPhone, or any phone actually, for watching videos or FaceTime calls and still charge. The Unravel uses magnets to secure itself, so that way you can use it to display your phone. Just slide your fingers like this, boom, pop this out, and then put your phone right here. Also, the magnets are pretty strong, especially for the Apple Watch, so you don't have to worry about that sliding around. It's a Qi wireless, Apple compatible charger with two 10-watt wireless charging coils. You can charge up to 2 phones in an Apple Watch, or like you see here with my AirPods and my Apple Watch and phone. And it is compatible with all wireless charging Apple models, including the iPhone 14. But it does not currently have MagSafe. And if you're not interested in Apple, there is a version that is a 3+1 wireless charger. And it's the same design, except besides the 3 charging pads, you have an attached USB-C cord to charge a 4th device. And it does use a USB-C cable to charge, which is not included, so you'll have to use your own. And if you want to use all its power equally, you'll need a 60-watt charger for all of the benefits. And Ampere has its own with a dual USB-C and USB-A adapter to do just that. So with it, you can charge 2 devices at the same time, or laptops like the MacBook. But the Unravel would definitely come in handy for traveling this weekend. You can also get the Ampere travel case to store your charger, your adapter, cord, etc. But to be honest with you, with the grips, the feel, this is sturdy enough for you to travel with if you have it in a secure location. If this sounds good to you, I asked Ampere to hook you up. You could save 20% off with discount code Wilson20. And check out Ampere's other products.